My name is Pascal Wallisch, a professor of psychology and data science at NYU. I'm an expert in visual perception. I'm here to answer your questions from Twitter. Is there an explanation for the dress I was late? I have the actual dress. The dress itself is unambiguously in bright light, black and blue. Yes, we can all agree on that. It looks black and blue. But that's not what we were asking. What we were asking was, is the image of the dress black and blue or white and gold? If you ask that, most people will say 2/3, according to our research, will see this image as white and gold. So what's going on here? The lighting information in this image is ambiguous because it was taken inside, but it was overexposed on a cell phone picture with a Samsung camera. So in other words, it's unclear if this was artificial lighting or outside lighting, natural lighting, yes? If there's not enough information, our brains generally don't say, I don't know. They're very immodest. They will fill in the missing information by making assumptions about the world. What assumptions you make about the lighting depends on what experience of light you have. So what we could show in our research is that people who are morning people are more likely to see the dress as white and gold, whereas night owls are more likely to see it as black and blue. And the reason for that is they are assuming that illumination that they have seen more of in their life and mentally subtract that from the image. Originally, in 2015, when this came out, 2/3 of the people saw it as white and gold, and 1/3 saw it as black and blue, even though in real life, it's unambiguously 100% black and blue.